as seasons change, so do our homes, often in ways we don't immediately notice. Your garage door, a vital part of your home's security and efficiency, is no exception to these seasonal shifts. Temperature fluctuations can cause your garage door's metal components to expand and contract. This natural process can subtly, yet significantly, affect its alignment over time. A misaligned door might not close properly, leaving your home vulnerable to weather and intruders. It could also place undue strain on the opener, leading to premature wear and costly repairs. Regular inspection is key. Look for uneven gaps between the door and the frame or unusual noises during operation. If you notice grinding, squeaking, or a door that struggles to open or close smoothly, it's a sign. Simple adjustments can often correct minor alignment issues, ensuring your door operates efficiently. For more complex problems, or if you're unsure, it's always best to call a professional. They can accurately assess the situation and perform the necessary adjustments safely. Proactive maintenance, especially seasonal checks, can save you time, money, and hassle in the long run. Don't let seasonal changes compromise your garage door's performance or your home's security. Keep your garage door in top shape throughout the year with timely alignment and maintenance.